So guys, if you're just after getting a Pro Elite 1, a Pro Elite 2 or a Pro Elite 3 installed and you find that the water is cloudy, I'm just going to show you what to do. So you will see here on this glass, it's very cloudy. That's because the filter hasn't been flushed. It's only new. There's no need to panic. It's coconut carbon. It's not dangerous and it can't harm you. It's only coconut. So all you have to do is just turn on your filter tap and let it run out completely. You can do this many times. In some cases it might free up after 2 flushes. In some cases it could be after 3 or 4, but just keep doing it. The system will rectify itself once it beds in. There can also be a lot of oxygen in the water too because it's new and it's displacing the air out of the actual system. So don't worry, keep using it, it's not harmful. Just keep flushing the system and it will come right. If you notice that there's maybe a slight metallic taste also of it, just again keep letting it run and flush. It's just that the membrane has a preservative in it. Again, it's a food grade preservative. It's just to keep the membrane fresh and in working order, so when we actually install it, everything is working good. So if you've a taste or if you've cloudy water, the only way you can fix that is by flushing the system and by using it.